What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't put anything up in a while. I've been home for only about 4 days now, and slowly but surely I've been getting back to where mentally I want to make a video. So I said, screw it, let's go ahead and record some of the stuff that I got in. It's not everything that I ordered, and I want to know, I kind of am at a loss on what else to order right now. So we got the car kind of cleaned up. I paid for one of those touchless car washes, about 18 bucks. Car looks decent. It doesn't look too bad, but it couldn't even get the bird poop that's still on the window right there. I'll probably pressure wash it myself, do all the detailing and everything. I did the truck today, and that was a pain in the butt just because it was so damn hot outside. I spent probably about 2, maybe 3 hours cleaning that damn thing, and I still probably could have spent more trying to completely detail it, but like I said, it was too damn hot. It was really, really too damn hot. So let's go ahead and get to some of the packages that I got. Get this bad boy open. Okay. This one costs quite a bit. I would say this setup right here was probably about 2,500 bucks in total. All the junk that we got inside here. Okay, so what I wanted to do, because like I was telling you guys, I am trying to do the Dinan coils, right? I have the Dinan coils over there, but the guy was telling me that it looks like my struts and my shocks could use a little bit of an upgrade, so to say. I didn't buy the coilovers and stuff like that because I don't really want to be adjusting with the ride height and all that stuff. And I guess when I bought the springs, I wasn't thinking that I would want to spend $2,600 on a coilover set, an adjustable coilover set. I ended up spending about $2,700 between the struts and the shocks and all the stuff, and then the Dinan coils. So realistically, I could have just bought the freaking coilovers and had saved a little bit of money. But I mean, kind of is what it is. It's freaking humid right now, and it's so I have to wipe off the lens. But anyways, I went ahead and got the Bilsteins, obviously because this does have EDC, so these cost a little bit more money. They were like 500 freaking bucks a piece for the front. And then the rear, I would say they're like 300 bucks a piece. I'm not too sure. The rears were, I know the rears were hella cheaper, and the fronts were super expensive. Got some bump stops because we needed to upgrade those. And then I have the actual, like the little plates for where the coil is supposed to sit in the rear. So we went ahead and got those also. Front and rear Swaybars from H&R. Now, I got them as a set, and I got these from throtl. I would say they were about 680 bucks, but they had a sale going on, and with the sale, after taxes, with shipping, I probably paid like $610. So if you were to say taxes, minus shipping and all that stuff for this, you're probably saving yourself around 100 bucks. So I don't know if they still got that deal going on right now, but since, like I said, since we're already down there, go ahead and do some upgrades, see if we can feel a little bit tighter on the suspension when we're gonna be mobbing around town. But yeah, look at these. Ooh, man, look at that color on these. It's like a matte. Oh man, that's a pretty color. It's like an indigo, or man, I don't know how to say it. Or I don't know freaking colors. To me, it's just blue, but it's like a matte blue. Man, this thing looks sweet, dude. Got you some stickers. But yeah, like I said, I got the front and rears. Go ahead and throw these on whenever we get this thing all torn apart. And then my plan is to also get the Turner Swaybar links for the front and the rear, because it says that they really recommend an adjustable link since you're lowering the car. And so you don't put the stock ones under tension. Now, we don't have, I don't know how much lower I can really go. Like I said, with the Dinan, I'm only going about 1/2 inch, which I think that's really all I got. You know what I'm saying? So they might be tucked a little bit, but my plan, man, y'all can tell me in the comments and roast me. I know a lot of people like to go with the 18s. These are 19s, but what I do want to do is I want to go with 20s, man. I don't know why. I want a bigger wheel. Obviously, I don't want a bigger tire. I just want a bigger wheel. I want a different look because everybody and their mama has these when it comes to the M3. That's the thing about a car like this, right? This car's been out since what, 2008. So if you go on YouTube, there's every variant and almost all of them have the same kind of setup of wheels, same kind of style. So I want to try to go out of the box, out of the norm. I know that maybe pushing the limits of what people actually like, but I really don't care because it's my vehicle. So I'm gonna go with some 20s. I've been pricing them out, and I had talked to Rohana. I believe I talked to Rohana about doing like a 3-piece wheel, which, man, those things are freaking expensive. You're talking about like $8,100 before shipping and taxes for a 3-piece 20-inch black on black wheel. But I believe that is the route I'm gonna go if the front rims are bent, because I don't want to spend money on buying new ones. Maybe I will get these fixed just to buy some time, but the plan is to do 20s. That's mainly why I didn't want to go with such an aggressive drop. I just wanted to go with a 1/2 inch so it can be just a hair lower, Then we're gonna do the side skirt, so it's gonna give it that lower look, right? Give it a more aggressive stance. But with the 20s, it's gonna make the car just pop. I believe 20s, even though it's only 1/2 inch on each side, it's gonna make the car pop, stand out. And then when we do the 3-piece wheel, we're gonna do a little bit deeper on the rear, but super concave. And man, it's gonna look aggressive. To me, I have a vision in my head, and that's what I'm gonna stick with. Now, things may change. I may not even. That's what I want to do, man. To be honest with you, that's what I want to do. I want to get the car cleaned up. I want to do these pieces. The exhaust sounds good. Everything's running right. So the plan is for me to go with 20-inch wheels. I want to do 20s simply because everybody and their mama has 19s or 18s on the E92 M3. You know, like the competition wheels and stuff like that are very basic when it comes to these cars because they look good. Don't get me wrong, they look. Oh, and we do have the big brake kit coming. They said it was about a 30 to 35 day wait for them to get manufactured or built or customized or whatever, retrofitted or whatever the hell it is. So it's about a 35-day wait. I believe we're on like day 30, so should be soon. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But we do have the big brake kit coming with red calipers. The car's gonna look clean, it's gonna look good. I'm gonna get side skirts. Like I said, I'm gonna get side skirts. I'm gonna get a rear diffuser. I want to get the Turner Swaybar Swaybar links in the front and the rear for when we drop it so that it's not putting the stock pieces in a bind. What else? So like I was saying, there is a lot of stuff that I plan on doing to this vehicle. It's not gonna be all at once. Everything takes time. Like even some of these parts, like the big brake kit. The big brake kit, I ordered it, let's say about a month ago. It's going on a month. And they take about 30 to 35 days to be machined and retrofitted, and then they'll be able to be shipped out to me. So we're still in the process of waiting on those pieces. So those should come in and look really badass on the car, give it a real aggressive look. You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Where are we going? You don't know. It's hot. I need to toast the freaking thing. Everything here is 93, 87, probably 91 and 93. I don't see any. Oh, 87, 89 and 93. I run 93 in the car, so I got diesel. So I'll have to check somewhere else. All right, there's a Sunoco up here. Let's see. I see something 293. That seems kind of low. That may be it. Let's check. They got a Laredo taco. That's only a good thing. You want a taco, Mom? Mom made those gross tacos this morning. I didn't want to eat that. All right. Diesel 315, regular 293, CVC E85 Mom. 87, 89, 93. I don't think they're gonna have it. They would say it, right? 93. We look like crazy people just going through the gas station. Probably gonna run out of gas looking for the gas station. What'd you say? 93, right? All right, let's go check somewhere else. So no E85, could not find it anywhere. Yeah. These fools got ice cream. Let me see your ice cream, Daddy. Is it good? All in all, I'd say today was not a success. I was not able to find the E85 here in Corpus Christi, and I don't want to have to travel too far to find it, because if anybody knows that these things do not get the best fuel mileage, and if I have to travel 30 miles, that's 60 miles round trip. That's pretty much what, like a quarter tank that I'm chalking up as a loss. Nah, we're good. So I'll just go ahead and save that 800 bucks, put it towards the supercharger that I will be getting. Not soon, well, I say not soon, but more than likely I'm gonna end up just going and buying the damn supercharger. But last night I did end up ordering the Swaybar links for the front and the rear from Turner. So it said that they were available to ship like ASAP. I'm about to go inside. I'm gonna order the freaking side splitters, or whatever the hell it is, side skirts. I'm gonna get them for the side, get them for right here, and then get the diffuser. I'm gonna put that on order right now. Get those in. They say it's about a 3 to 4 week freaking turnaround. So man, everything is such a freaking delay. That's the only crappy part. So I'm gonna wait till everything is in, so we have all the parts, and then I'm gonna take it all at once and get that done. Now the carbon fiber, whenever that comes in, I'll probably go ahead and install that. But as far as like the big brake kit, the sway bars and yada, 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 I'm not doing that. I'm gonna pay somebody to do that, just because that's more of a safety issue. And I don't wanna be the one to jack it up and then have myself to blame. Oh, and I also need to get you these. These are a beast. Look, you can see that these are like nice and glossy. These are pretty hazy right here. It looks like they tried to clean them up. Pretty hazy, it's nice and clear. But these damn things are 200 bucks a piece, man. So that's $400 for the set. Went ahead, I had those in the cart last night from Turner, but I was like, man, let me just go ahead and put those on the back burner. I tried to look on eBay to see if I could find them freaking used. Can't find them. So if you guys know anywhere that I could get those two tail lights for the trunk, let me know. I mean, most people are selling for like 200 bucks. So I really don't want to spend $400 for these two lights. They work, but they're just hazy compared to these. And I think that would, I think it needs it big time. So we'll go ahead and get those later. Anyways, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's anything that I'm missing out on or that you could recommend to put on this damn thing. All right, man, peace.